Come on, Kevin. Roll it up, baby.
Rev it up, Kevin. Hey.
Go, Kevin.
Am I still your Superman? Do it again.
Hello. Say hello.
Well, I called you up last Friday night. You said that you were there. And how can you play those games on me and then tell me you still care? I want to ask you, baby, 'cause I did the best I can. And now you make me wonder what am I still your Superman? I said you make me wonder what am I still your Superman?
Mr. Kevin O'Leary.
Give it up.
Mr. Graham Bonzan.